Hey guys, we're going to take a look at the camera and see if we can figure out this camera reset. Let me see if I can zoom in here and still have a good picture for you. Let's see if that's going to be good enough. Yeah. Okay, so this back right here is supposed to just pop off. Quality's not that good since I have it zoomed in, but let's see if we can do it since it's off the drone, off the quad. Let's see if we can do it with our fingers here. Now it's a little difficult. Let's try a screwdriver. You want to be careful with this. It just pops off pretty. It's not too hard when it's on the quad actually, but it should be easier. I can't remember now that it's out which end comes undone first. I'll just try it with my hands again. Yeah. Okay, so that just pops right off. Now, there is supposed to be a reset right here in the middle. Now, if you look carefully, right here you have some jumpers. You have two leads. They're basically just two contacts. And then on this side you have a contact. They look like some sort of jumpers. But I'm told that the reset is actually right here in the middle. Right here. So let's see if we can get any action out of that. I don't see any kind of button. All I see is a little bit of glue. And all I can tell is that looks like it is part of the ribbon cable. So I do not see a reset in there. So I don't know what Hubsan's talking about when they say there's a gimbal reset. Anybody has found that button? Let me know. Unless this camera does not have it, I don't know. But let's take this back cover off and see what it looks like inside the camera. Or the gimbal, I'm sorry. Okay, it should pop off. I'm going to be very careful here. Okay. So there's the gimbal. I really can't go that far. I got to be careful with this thread tape. Try to keep this out of the way. But there's no adjustment. So if your gimbal goes out of whack, out of sync, I really do not see any sort of way of resetting it. There's a video for DJI on their cameras. If your gimbal goes out of whack, there is a way to perform a manual calibration. Looking inside here, I don't see any kind of reset whatsoever. There is a little something right here. Feels like it could be a button, but I don't think so. It's a plug. That's what it is. Ooh, that's a nasty thing to mess with. Alright, so putting that back is going to be fun because you need to get the plug to connect. And you want to get all your screw holes lined up at the same time. Actually, that wasn't bad. I think it went right in. Yep. Okay, we're in. So as far as I can tell, there is no reset. There's just these contact points. So this is the newer style camera. It should, I think, have the reset, but I do not see any sort of reset. And we took it apart on the back. There was nothing in there. Hopefully this shows that Hubsan might be wrong so we can get some clarification. So if anybody does know how to do the reset, if your gimbal is locked and it will not come unlocked, this is supposed to be a reset. The only thing I can see is you've got these contact points. Maybe you're supposed to jump them. So if I'm missing something, just let me know. I'm going to put this back together, but you don't need to see that part. So thank you very much for watching. And like I said, if anybody knows of an actual reset button, just let me know.